Hi 4B, I hope you're all well. Mr. Brain here. It's the end of the school year. Unfortunately, we can't end it in the way that we normally would, but I just hope that you're all safe and well at home. And this is just a chance for me to say goodbye really and to congratulate you on having such a fantastic year. So just a quick flashback, this is obviously what we looked like at the start of the year. You guys have grown up so much, I can't believe it, how much you've developed, become so much cleverer, so much more mature. And yeah, it's just crazy to look back at that photo and to think that that was over a year ago. Time goes so fast. So yeah, just looking at some of these pictures were taken actually at the start of the year. Everybody's in there, everybody looks very smiley, very happy. But one thing I've noticed is just, like I said, how much you've all grown. It's been incredible to watch your journey throughout this year. It's been amazing to be your teacher. And it's great to see that although you were in a new class, you've made lots and lots of new friends and hopefully friendships that are going to last for a very long time. Just a few pictures about what we did over the year, like sort of taking ourselves through a journey. So remember, we were doing the Firework Maker's Daughter, we did some drama lessons all to do with that. In science, we were making poo through the digestive system. We were getting really messy all around the table. That was a great lesson, probably one of my favourite lessons that we did. In maths again, we did lots of manipulatives this year, and I thought maths lessons personally were really, really fun. I love teaching you guys, and I'm sure that you enjoyed it as well. Well, I hope you did. And then finally here, we have some pictures of our Chinese lanterns, which it took us a little while to get there, but when we finished them during DT week, it was fantastic, really, really good. The work that you guys produced was amazing, really good. Just a few things here. I remember our compliment chain. We had such great fun. We only had a cinema time in the classroom. DT week again. PE lessons. Absolutely love teaching you guys PE. I think we had some of the best PE lessons ever. Honestly, it was such great fun. You all worked really hard, and it was great to see the teamwork develop as well within the class. Great stuff. So just some reflections. Obviously, during the COVID-19 outbreak, I found that obviously it's an unprecedented time, and it was really, really strange. And I found it really difficult to adjust initially, as I'm sure you did at home. But trying to be positive, as we always are, I thought to myself, right, well, let me use this time. And here are some of the things that I came up with. So at home, I rediscovered my love for cooking. So I was doing lots of cooking at home. I'm sure you were doing cooking or helping your parents, I hope you were, with the cooking at home as well. I was able to do lots of running, lots of exercise. It was great actually because you've now got the freedom of time. You can go and exercise whenever you want. Obviously we were allowed out for a little bit, for about an hour during the lockdown. And I made sure that I was donating to the NHS as well, trying to support those key workers. I also was able to fix my bike, which I haven't ridden for a long, long time. And I went riding into London, I went through Bushy Park, it was fantastic, really loved the cycling. And again, it just made me sort of realise and appreciate the smaller things that you have, rather than thinking about how busy the world always is. And then also, I'm sure you've all seen it, when we were in school, because obviously school was still open, I was making some videos with Miss Smith and Miss Taylor, which I never ever would have done unless lockdown had happened. These are going to be your teachers for next year. You have the lovely Mrs. Hawes. She's just in the classroom next door to us actually. And she's going to be your teacher for next year. She's a lovely teacher. I know some of you may have had her already. And I know that she's so excited to meet you all again, and then for some of you to meet for the first time in the classroom. And then you have Mrs. Beaumont and Miss Beatrice as well. And they're going to be the LSAs in that classroom, helping out. We all know Mrs. Beaumont, she was with us all year this year. She's fantastic. And then Miss Beatrice is also a lovely teacher. And they're going to be supporting you and Mrs. Hawes in the class next year. I know that they're so excited to see you, so excited to welcome you back. And I'm really, really jealous actually, because I would like to keep 4B as my class for next year. Now, some of you may know, I am leaving, unfortunately. It is sad, but of course things move on. But I'm going on a brand new adventure, and I'm going to be moving to Dubai. Dubai is a country in the Middle East, and I'll just show you here on the map. So we're over here. I'm going to be flying about 3,000 miles away, and I'll be over here. This is a big picture over in the United Arab Emirates or Dubai. I am really looking forward to it. It is exciting. I am a bit nervous, if I'm completely honest, but But I'll make sure that I'll come back and teach you guys some PE lessons because we finished it a bit earlier and I'll be desperate to get back and come see how you're all doing in your new year. Finally, I just wanted to say thank you so much. You have been one of the best classes I've ever taught, and I've taught a lot of classes. You're fantastic, you're funny. I'm going to miss all of our moments in class, the drama lessons that were so funny, those little golden jokes that we used to say. It was a really great year. It's such a shame, I really do miss you coming into school. It's such a shame that it had to end the way it did. But from what I hear, speaking to your parents over the phone, you guys have been super resilient and super positive throughout the whole lockdown, and I'm sure you are going to have a fantastic year next year. Here's a final picture of us all cheering. That's us celebrating because we've made it through year 4. You've done it, guys. Well done. I will come back. I will visit. I hope you all have a fantastic summer and take care. I will see you all soon. Bye 4B.